Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how I made this palazzo trouser that I'm putting on. Yeah, it's an elastic palazzo trouser. It has elastic there. If you're watching this channel for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe. Kindly subscribe to this channel, please. And as you watch this video, if it is helpful for you, please do not hesitate to actually press the like button. Press the like button so that this video can reach a lot of people. Thank you guys. Let's get right into how I made this palazzo trouser. It's actually a lazy way. Yes, and it's actually fast and simple to understand if you follow the video from the beginning to the end. All right, guys, let's get into the class. So I'll be doing my front pattern first, and I folded my fabric into two. So I'll come down here by 3 inch. So is this 3 inch that I'll start my measurement from. So I'll be starting my measurement from here. This will serve as my waistline. So I'll first take my waist to my hip measurement. Then my crotch length. After that, I'll take my waist to my knee length. Then my waist to my full length. So on my hip line, I'll be placing my hip measurements divided by 4 plus 2 inches. I'll place it here also and here also. So I'll rule a straight line. So here I'll be placing my round thigh measurements divided by 2 plus 2 inch. Remember, we have a 2 inch that we are adding, so plus 2 inch. So that is what we extend as what's my crotch cuff. So now I want to place what's my center line. Now in placing my center line, I'll be using my hip measurement, which I divided by 4. Remember, I added 2 inch, but I'll not be using that 2 inch now. So that hip measurement I divided by 4, I'll be dividing it by 2. So that will give me what? 4.5. So my measurement will start from this side. So I'll ensure the 4.5 falls on this side. This place will have extra 2 inch. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to do. So this is 4.5. So I should have 6.5 left. Okay, so 6.5. That means for it to be easier, I'll be measuring on this part 6.5, 6.5. So at the end of the day, this part will be what? 4.5. So I'm measuring that 6.5 to rule what? A straight line. So I've ruled a straight line. Now on my knee length, I'll be placing my round knee measurement divided by 2 first. So my round knee measurement is 13. So divided by 2, that will give me 6.5. So this is what? 6.5. I have to get the midpoint for 6.5. So that is what I'll be placing on this line, the midpoint. That's 3.25. So this place here I have 6.5, but because I want what's a free trousers, I'll be adding 3 inches to this side and 2 inches to this side. Please note that all the allowance I'm adding, I've included what's my sewing allowance. So because it's a gathered trouser, I'm leaving the top like this, and this is the place I'll be fixing my banding. This extra here is where I'm fixing my band on. So you understand when I'm sewing. So I'll connect here to this place. So I'll be using the same measurement here and here at the down part also. Yeah. So how will I get my accurate measurements? I'll measure what I have here to here. I'll place it from here to here. I'll measure what I have from here to here. I'll place it on here to this place. So this is my front pattern, including all my allowances. So I'll cut it out and I'll be using it to cut what's my back pattern. So this is my front pattern. So I'll be making my back pattern now. I folded my fabric into 2 for my back pattern. So I'll place my front pattern on it. So if you notice on my front pattern, when I was cutting, I actually added 0.5 inch to the crotch area here only. I added 0.5 inch to it. The only difference between my back and my front is the fact that I'll be adding to the crotch area. I'm not adding anything to the sides. Remember, I already added 3 inches extra wood for my side. So I'm not adding anything to this side. So only on this crotch area, I'll be adding what? 2 inch. This is my crotch line. So on this line, I'll be adding 2 inch. So instead of placing it directly on this line, I'll come down on this line by 0.5 inch. So this is where I'm connecting to my crotch. So I'll connect from here to this place here, my knee length here for my front pattern. So this is the major difference between my back and my front. So I'll be cutting out my back now, following every other pattern on my front pattern, except this place. For the length of my trouser, actually I'm using what is left here. I think it should be up to like 1.5 inch. Yeah, so this is 1.5 inch I have here. So I'm just using what is left here for the hem of my trousers. This is my front and this is my back. So I want to notch this line. I'll be notching it. So the next thing I'll be doing now is taking it to the sewing machine. I'll be joining my crotch for my front together and the crotch for my back together. So I've joined my crotch. This is my back and this is my front. So the next thing I'll be doing now, I'll be joining this place together on this place and this place using 0.5 inch. That's what I did. I joined using 0.5 inch. Then on this side now, remember I notched this place this place that I notched. Remember I said this upper part is for the elastic I'll be fixing, and it is 3 inch. Yeah, so I'll join my sides also, but I'll be leaving my pocket opening here. I'll be leaving my pocket opening here. So I'll first indicate that place that I notched. The place that I notched, I indicated it. So from there, I'll measure my pocket opening. I'll be using 6 inches for my pocket opening. So this is 6 inches. So I'll sew from here to here. I'll leave this place. Then I'll continue my sewing from here downwards on 1 inch. I'll do the same for the other side also. So I have this center left. So for my pocket, I got this piece of fabric. It is 22.5 inches long, 2.5, and the wideness is 7. So this is for my pocket. So I'll fold like this. This is the right side of my fabric. This is the wrong side. So I'll fold like this first, and I'll sew this place on 0.25, very tiny. So this is it, I've sewn. So I'll turn it in like this. So this is what I have. Yeah. So at this top part, I'll measure 0.5. So for my pocket opening, I'll measure 6 inches. So this is my trousers. This is my pocket opening area, this place. So I'll take my pocket. This is my pocket. Let me put what I chalked here. I'll chalk it on this other side also. Okay, can we see that? So this is where my pocket is supposed to start from, at this place. So I'll be fixing this chalk area we align with this chalked area. So I'll open it up like this. I'm fixing it here. So this is my pocket opening, aligning also with this side. So I'll pin it also. This is it. So I'll pin to this side also, like that. So this is what I have. You can see pinned here and pinned here. So I'll take to the sewing machine and I'll sew straight down. I'm sewing it straight down to this place. Same with this also. I'll sew straight down to this place like this. So this is it, I've sewn. You can see I've sewn it. So I'll pick my pocket alone. See my pocket alone, I'll pick it. Then I'll come out a bit here to join from here down to where my pocket opening stops, this place. So I'll sew it to join. It's just my pocket. I'm only holding my pocket alone, so just my pocket is what I'm doing that on. So I'll just close it. So I've done that, you can see it. So this is my waist area. This is my band. Remember, from here to here is my band area. So now I want to fix my band. The first thing I'll be doing is to bring this pocket here. This is my front pattern. I'm bringing my pocket here like this. Like this. You can see it is above the line. Yes, so that's what I'm doing first. So after I've placed it like this, then I will fold. I'll first fold on 0.5 inch, then I'll place the remaining one on this line, on the line like this. So if you don't want your band to be this tiny, you can actually add more allowance up before you take your measurements, or you can actually cut another fabric entirely and attach it. So that means you start from this waistline, you add 0.5 allowance, then you cut another extra band. But I don't want to cut extra band, so I'll pin this down like this. So that's how I'll pin everything round. Remember, I actually notched the area. I notched it, so that's how I know where my band is stopping. So this is it. So you can see. So I'll take to my sewing machine and I'll sew round. I'm sewing it round. So I'll leave a space for elastic, a tiny space at this place. I won't close it entirely, so I'll pass my elastic through this place. After I've passed it, then I'll close it. So that's that for the band. After I'm done with my band, I'll do the hem of my trousers. So I'll know I have 1.5 inch. So this is what I'm using for my hemming. So I'll hem it done and sew on this place like that round. I'll do the same for here also, and my trouser is ready.